Hey, so here is YAZIO app, which is fasting and food tracker. So you can track calories, you can use it to lose weight, and yeah, just quite popular app. And you can create recipes and meal plans. So just tap get in the App Store app, confirm with your Touch ID or password, and then the app will start installing. And then you will have this fasting, you will have these recipes, set up goals, 10 million users, so that's pretty impressive. It's a free app, but of course they will offer you an option to upgrade. And then this is how it looks like. Let's just go through together. So what's your goal? Lose weight, build muscle, or maintain weight. So like build muscle. uh, this is how can I help. Then how tall are you? So something like that. So yeah, and then once your birthday, you just add some days, and then it will generate some of your personalized plans, calculate daily goals, prepare meal plans, and then yeah, you can just continue with Apple ID if you're on iOS, and you will create your account here. Yeah, you can see all of that. If you want, you can skip upgrade. And there it is. There is your meal plan. You can create your own plan, but here is all of that. But of course, it prompts you to upgrade. Just looking to see if there is like a free version. So yeah, you can see all of that, but a lot of this is locked under Pro. So anyways, okay, now you can see that this is free. So that's basically it. You can also print it out. You can see all the other data, your profile and all of that. So I hope this just quick preview was helpful. Try it out, leave your reviews below. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 50,000 subscribers, so it would be super helpful.